pump.
But I do pump with mop, like.
No.
But I mean, can you just call them up?
Cleaning is for ladies.
Yeah. Is it the same?
That's fine. Lower.
Is it good?
I think you need a little bit more size. It's too small.
Size?
Do you work out? Go to the gym?
We are now in the gym. This is my favorite like pose. Like this one.
Bro.
And then we're doing like this. Like this. Why you like laughing, guys? Why?
You need more muscle.